Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful holiday season. Can you believe that 2022 is right around the corner? I certainly cannot. This year has gone by so quickly, it's unbelievable. But anyway, to welcome the new year, I have an unboxing for you. I have the Curated Bead Box for the month of January, and I know it's super early, but I'm always one of the first ones to get the box because I have an agreement with Curated Bead Box to show the boxes to my subscribers. If you subscribe to my channel, you're going to see me doing unboxings for Curated Bead Box and other companies. That's what I do. That's my job as a YouTuber, and I really enjoy it because you know what? It helps me as well. I get to see what's out there. But anyway, guys, if you're not familiar with the Curated Bead Box, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. But basically, Curated Bead Box is a monthly bead subscription box that includes all kinds of things such as beads, charms, pendants, and other items specially selected with unique color combinations and themes. There are usually enough items to make a number of pieces such as bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. The box goes for $20 a month, which includes shipping in the USA. And if you don't want a subscription, you can always just buy the box individually. They actually do offer previous boxes on their website. One of the nice things about this box is their Finding Starter Kit, which usually comes in either silver or gold. The Finding Starter Kit includes crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lobster claw clasps. So there's no need to go out and buy anything extra because everything you need is included, except for the tools, of course. Anyway, like I said, I'll leave a link down below along with a coupon code for 35% off your first subscription box. The coupon code is Luisa35. So anyway, I'm very excited about seeing what's in this box. Let's go ahead, turn the camera around, and we'll get started. Here's the lovely box. As you can see, there's a preview of the contents of the box. And isn't that a beautiful, colorful collection? The name of the box is Orchid Oasis, as you can see. And down here on the bottom left is a list of all the items. And these are the product codes for each one. So if you need to get some more from the website, you can certainly do so. And down at the bottom, it says bead sizes and types may vary due to availability. And here's the website address where you can get the items. So let's go ahead and open up this beautiful box. Let me pull them out. Pretty big package. And right away I can see I'm going to really enjoy this box. I love these colors. I love the combination of the purple, the plum, this beautiful pink color, turquoise. Let me go ahead and organize everything and we'll go through each item. And here are the larger beads. These are two 8-inch strands and the beads are 12 millimeters in size. This top one is the Mellow Jade Style Glass Bead. Let me give you a close-up. Very pretty color, as you can see. And don't you love the look of jade? This isn't real jade, it's glass, but it has the look of jade, which is semi-transparent. As you can see, they're really nice beads. Very glossy, very shiny, and pretty good quality. And this one down here is the soft plum jade style glass bead. You can see that this color definitely coordinates with the darker one. So you can definitely use both of these in one design. These would make a great bracelet. And here are the 10 millimeter size beads. Both of these strands are also 8 inches long. And I wanted to keep these other ones here so you can compare the colors. But as you can see, this one is very similar to this one here. It's not exactly the same, but it's very, very similar. Let me bring it up closer so you can take a look. Very nice jade style glass bead. This one is called Plum Jade Style Glass Bead. And this one is called Crimson Jade Style Glass Bead. And as you can see, it's a very pretty pink color. I always thought crimson was red, but obviously I was wrong. But it's a very lovely color, as you can see. It's a bluish pink color. So anyway, these are very, very pretty. I really like them. And here are the 8 millimeter size glass beads. Both of these strands are 10.5 inches long. This first one is called a purple/blue duo style bead. And it kind of reminds me of the Dragon's Vein gemstone a little bit. I've seen glass duo beads many times in the Curated Bead Boxes and I absolutely love them. This is such a pretty combination too. You can see it has blue and purple. And what I like about these is that they do look like gemstones because each one is different. Very nice. And then this one is the blue dusty pink duo style glass bead. So it's a little bit lighter in color, as you can see. And again, it has that vein effect. And I absolutely love that. You can really see it in this lighter color. Very nice. And it coordinates really nicely with this color. I can definitely see a necklace in my future using these beads. Very pretty. Let me bring out the rest of them. Look at this gorgeous color combination. Isn't it beautiful? We have a very long 16-inch strand here of rustic glass pearl beads. The color is teal. And these are 6 millimeters in size. And to me, this doesn't look like teal. I guess you could say it's a very light colored teal. It's difficult to tell because of the beautiful metallic finish on these beads. And I absolutely love the texture of these beads. I like using different textures because it just adds to the beauty of the piece and it gives it some interest. And then these look like Hishi beads, but the description says that they're vinyl disc beads. I guess Hishi beads are traditionally made out of shell or wood or some other natural product. But these are vinyl, they're not acrylic. And I think the difference between vinyl and acrylic is that the vinyl is a little bit of a softer plastic. And these disc beads are 6 millimeters in diameter and 1 millimeter thick. So they would definitely make great spacer beads. You can use them by themselves, or you can stack them in sets. You can use 2, 3, or 4 at a time. I can see all kinds of possibilities. And it's just another different kind of material you can use to make your pieces interesting. Plus this color is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. Very pretty. And look at these 2 strands, guys, of crystal tube pressed glass beads. They're 8 by 4 millimeters in size. You get 2 strands. Each one is 13 inches. But look at all these beads, guys. Look how much you get. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of beads. If you add up the 2 strands, that's the equivalent of 26 inches. That's a lot of beads. As you can see, they don't have any kind of AB finish or anything. They're clear crystal. And they don't have any faceting either. They're perfectly round. You can do so much with these beads. And the fact that these beads are clear crystal means that you can use them with any other colors. So anyway, I know I'm going to use these somehow. Very, very nice and very generous of Curated Bead Box. And here we have a bag of Druzy style glass beads. These are 12 millimeters in size. The description says they're a pale blue color, but actually I see all kinds of colors in these beads. They're very interesting because they have like a yellow shimmer. It's really difficult to explain, but the textured surface has a little bit of color in it, as you can see. Let me put them on a rod so you can take a better look. And here they are on my rod. And as you can see, they're blue, but they have that yellow shimmer, okay? And they're not all perfect either, okay? There are some imperfections. You can see that there's a little stripe running through the middle of this one, and this one doesn't have the stripe. Most of them don't have the stripe, but some of them do. And I'm not sure if it's because the shimmer wore off in that spot or if it's meant to be like that. But let me give you a close-up and let me turn them so you can see. They're very pretty and they're actually pretty lightweight, so they would make great earrings. And the holes are pretty big as well. But anyway, this is a very pretty color. I really like it. And I know I'm going to use these beads somehow. And they definitely coordinate with the rest of the beads. And here we have a very pretty pendant. It's 30 by 26 millimeters in dimension. It has a turquoise colored stone in the middle. And it has a beautiful floral design around that stone. Let me show you the back. There's the back. Okay, it's nicely finished in the back. And it has a substantial loop, so you could definitely hang it off a chain or even a piece of leather cord. Doesn't it look lovely with these beads? I really love this combination and I really like how it looks with this duo style colored bead. And the purple really dresses it up. But anyway, this is a very pretty pendant and I'm not sure if I'll use it like this, but I'll use it somehow. It's very beautiful. And finally, we have this Finding Starter Kit. And if you're a beginner, this is a really great kit to have because it has pretty much everything that you need to get started. Let me pull everything out. As you can see, we have lobster claw clasps. They're in a silver color and you get 4. We have some crimp beads. They're pretty small. I think these are 1 by 1.5, something like that. Pretty small. And then we have some head pins. Everybody needs head pins. And we have some memory wire. And there's enough here to make a 6-coil bracelet, or you could make a couple of bracelets with less coils. We have some beading wire. I think this is the 7-strand beading wire. I can't remember exactly, but I believe that's what they carry on their website. And we have some stretch cord. This is very thick stretch cord, as you can see, so it holds heavy beads. And we get some ear wire hooks. And it looks like we have 6 of them, so 3 pairs. And we get some jump rings. These are about 6 millimeters in size, and they're pretty thick. They're about 19 gauge. So if you're a beginner, this is a great kit to have because a lot of times when we get started, we're not sure what we need. So if you're just starting out, this would be a great thing to add to your stash and a great opportunity for you to try different things. Well, that's it, guys. That's the January collection. And I really, really like these colors. And look at all these beads. This is a lot of beads, guys, okay? You get so much for your money. It's a great value. If you're looking for value, this is the box for you because you get a lot of beads. And these strands are not short. They're pretty long strands. And the fact that they included 2 strands of these clear glass beads is very impressive. But anyway, as you can see, the colors are gorgeous and you're going to get to make a lot of pieces with all of these beads. And then of course, it's nice that they include this finding starter kit for those of you who are just starting out. I wish I had known about this back when I first started out because it would have been very helpful. I love playing with the strands and rearranging the colors because I get so much inspiration just by looking at the beads. But anyway, guys, I'm going to be making something with these beads, so I want you to come back and check my channel, look for the tutorials coming up real soon. Let me go ahead and clean this up and I'll come back and say goodbye. Well, that was a fun unboxing. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. I'm going to be making something with those beads, so please come back and check my channel and look for tutorials coming up really, really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you next time. Bye.